Hey guys, good morning from Northern Alberta. I'm Andre. Welcome to the channel, Fields and Forests, Alberta. I want to show you guys the realities and the ups and downs and all that fun stuff of these two industries. So come along, enjoy some farming, enjoy some logging, and right now I'm getting the fuel truck ready for when we need it, and then I'm gonna head out and desiccate some wheat, and I'll pass it around to all the guys today, and they'll have some clips and see what we can come up with. Show you guys a day of harvest anyway, first day of harvest. There will be lots of farming content for now because it's fall time and harvest season is here, so but there will be lots of logging content as well. There's lots of projects going on right now. New shop build, and yeah. Water. So this morning I'm up on the north side of the farm. Boys are at the shop getting combines ready, getting balers ready, doing some yard work, moving some bins around, and I might just send you guys over there, see how they're doing. Sitting here waiting for lunch. Love eats. Watching. Level out the bins. This one's sunk pretty good. Freaking soaked. Oh, that's all sweat. Under boobs like. Servicing the baler, replacing some fingers, getting her ready. Desiccating away. Anyways, I will try getting some drone footage today. Get the drone up, take some shots, videos. Maybe show you guys around the yard. The yards actually, the forestry yard and the farmyard are right beside each other. Not much going on there right now. A lot of pieces are in the bush and in the fields, so the trucks are all home. Today's a day off for them, so see all those anyway. So the bin builders here screwed up. Made them way too low. I don't know why they did that, but they did. I can barely get an auger under there to dig holes. So they are coming here on Monday and spinning everything around. Those are gonna go to that side, and they might raise it, I'm not sure, but yeah, good job. Should be a bit higher on this end. Hopefully that'll fix our problem. I'm getting the boys ready for the field. Tackle some barley today. These X9s are freaking awesome. Turn my massage chair on. Got heat, AC. Get your ass in your back massage while you're working. Jeez, this thing's got all kinds of alarms. Low pressure, fuel pressure, circuit fault. Shoe speed sensor voltage out of range. Keeps popping up every like 30 seconds.
Prepping to combine some barley.
Baler's good to go. Now I gotta make my way to the combines.
Woohoo! Here we go.
Starting up. Here's the good harvest 2025.
That was open. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful. Just freaking wonderful. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, this piece of shit ain't gonna run today if this doesn't go away. I reset the master switch, everything. Still stuck on this page. Set her to 4 reps. Hopefully that's better.
Holy smokes. Took a few tries, but I got her.
It's pissing oil out of here. I'm gonna need this fixed too once you're back facility. Well, as you can tell, the boys are having some struggles there. First day of harvest. Always something missing, something going wrong. We got about 90 gallons left. I'm gonna go take you guys for a ride. Bye bye, have fun.
Low, sky painted like a postcard scene, fields of gold and shades of green. Got my girl in the shotgun seat, barefoot dancing to the beat. The world feels big, but it's all just right out here in the open tonight. It's country wide open, nowhere to hide, chasing the sun on a freeborn ride. Every mile's got a story to tell, living life like a rebel, yeah, with the wind at our backs, hearts unbroken, feeling alive, country wide open. Bonfire crackling by the lake, tailgate jumping with the bass, stars above like diamonds bright, shining down on this kind of life. We ain't got no fancy things, just guitars and tire swings, but you don't need much to feel this free, with dirt on your boots and good company. It's country wide open, nowhere to hide, chasing the sun on a freeborn ride. Every mile's got a story to tell, living life like...
Just after 3 o'clock. A little over 500 acres done. Grab the truck and go help the combines. Probably haul some grain to the bins or something. Yeah, the boys are ripping. Got 3 going. 1 getting fixed. Gramps in the baler. There goes the oldest unit. 9870. Heading out to the field. This is one friggin' clapped out hoe. Sheesh! Unload some barley. This bin's almost full. 1 more truck and it'll be full. Oh, it'd be awesome if this thing started on me though. Heck. Got her going, boys. Back in action. All right. Let's go. Bin of barley is full. So we usually don't drop straw. Usually chop it all. But there's a guy that asked for some straw, so making him some bales. Just on this field.
I really think we should have went over all these headers after Raman. This is just spare part or garbage part, but oh, that's funny.
X9 down. Go hop on the reliable 9870.
Well, when I heard this was broken, I was like, I'm gonna weld it. I guess welding is out of the question. What the hell is that even made out of? Tin? Full hopper. No auger control. But I have just the solution. You know, I never claimed to be a smart man, but sometimes my genius amazes me. Should be able to get through the day now.
It's getting worse. Can't even finish unloading.
This would explain why it's getting really loud. I can hear it from inside the cab.
All right, everybody. That sums up our first day of harvest of 2025. To sum it up, it was an okay day. First day of harvest is always a slow start, getting the bugs out. And yeah, things don't go as smooth as they should. I will try to get some more clips of the combines. I didn't have much time to be around them today, spraying and hauling grain, but we'll get there. Lots of harvest left. All these clips were from brothers and cousins that work on the farm, family farm. So hope you enjoyed the show. If you got questions, let us know. Try to answer them. And hope to see you guys back. Stay tuned for some logging. It'll be coming here shortly. And I tried to scare this guy. Didn't work out. Backfired, and I crashed the drone. There's a shitty pilot. Freaking crashed into the tractor.